Hello sis, please, by all means, you do not want your eyebrows looking like this. No. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Zabe Glam here again. So this is a continuation of how to achieve a flawless and well-defined eyebrows. In the previous video I showed you guys how to carve your eyebrows from start to this point. Yes, so if you want to see how I carved my eyebrows and achieved this look, you may want to check the previous video so that you are updated before you come to watch this one. Yes, I'll give you a second to go back to the video. Okay, you're welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a flawless and well-defined eyebrows, again like a professional. So guys, if you want to see how I do it, kindly stay with me and watch the video to the end. So the first thing you do is to obviously carve your eyebrows and then brush it in place. But since I've already done that, I'm just going to go ahead and then outline my eyebrows. Okay, so you want to first just draw a straight line, go in with light hand. If you notice, what I'm even drawing is not really showing, but that's how you want it to come out. Just draw a straight line like so. Can you see that? Then you go above the top. Now you don't want to start all the way from the front. You want to leave a bit space and then just start like this, and then just take it gradually, slowly, and connect with what you did before, like so. So now we don't want to fill our eyebrows and make it look all dark and artificial. You want to achieve that natural looking eyebrows, right? So you want to just go in lightly, start filling from the tip, from the bottom. Just, I'm using just one material for this so that it will be easy for anyone to draw. You don't have to start looking for a brow pomade or looking for a brow powder. Just use your eye pencil to outline and fill. Do you see what I did right there? This is how you want to achieve. You see, even without cleaning the eyebrows up, you see what it looks like. My darling, this is what you want your eyebrows to look like. This is what it's going to be looking like. You see how the front is looking all natural and sleeky. Now for cleaning up the brows, I like to use this my round mouth brush. I love it so much. It's very flat. I don't know if you can see the precision, but it's quite flat and round. So I love using this to clean up my brows. So for this, I'll be using my Elegant concealer in my Elegant Pro concealer in Toffee. Another thing you want to do is you're going to use the light shade for the lower part of your eyebrows, and then you are going to use your shade of foundation or a darker shade of concealer close to your skin tone for the upper part. Because why we do this is because when you want to apply your foundation, it will be easy for you to blend everything in. But if you are using a bright concealer for the top of your eyebrows, sis, it's going to be really hard for you to blend it into your foundation. So for the sake of your foundation blending, to make it easy and fast and flawless, you want to use your foundation for the top of your brows or a darker shade of concealer. So I'm going to be showing you guys an illustration of what I made. So right now I'm just going to really pop a little bit of this concealer because we don't want too much of it, like so. I can just put it at the back of my hand. If you have a mixing pan, it's better, or a mixing tray, you can just put it on it. But since I don't have that around me now, I'm just going to put it at the back of my hand and yes, get it on with it. Also, I'm going to just press. I'm going to be using this concealer. It's a dark shade of concealer. I'll just press it so that everything is already prepared or already ready. Everything is already ready. So now I'll just go in with my flat brush and then start concealing the brows. I like to conceal my brows from the middle part It's just something I do. I don't know why. Please go in lightly, sis. Don't rush it. Don't rush it. Just go in gently. See how I'm doing that? You don't need too much concealer to achieve. What's with my eyes? You don't need too much concealer to achieve a flawless brows. You just need to know how to do it and have the right tools. Now I'll go in with a dark shade of concealer. This is the same brush, just basically touching, and then now I'll just start from the front, and then I'll just start from the front and connect it like so. I feel like I still need to go in with a little bit of the bright concealer and just so refine it a bit more. So that's what I'm doing. So now you want to go in with a fluffy blend. You want to go in with a fluffy blending brush and just basically blend all the concealer, blend the both concealer into each other like so. Sis, this is what you want your eyebrows to look like. Now I'll go in. I'll just clean up my brush a bit because I have the light concealer on it, and then just apply a bit more of the darker shade on my hand. I'm just going to be showing you guys how I clean up the top of my brows. You want to make sure you remove every hair. No hair is standing in the way. You want to place your brush like so and just basically start cleaning it up. As you're applying it, you're dragging it upwards so it will be easy for you to blend when you're done. You see how the concealer is just blending into my skin? Sis, that's what you want. Sister girl, I present to you my eyebrows in all her glory. So this is what my eyebrows look like after cleaning it up and then defining and doing everything. I'm just going to go in with my, what's it called again, Flawless Ivy eyebrow tint or eyebrow gel. So I like to just use my spoolie to touch it so that I don't apply excess. So I just touch with my spoolie and then just go into the brows. It gives your brows that natural feel. I'm just going to use it mostly at the front part of it. So this is what our eyebrows looks like now. I'm just going to repeat the same thing I did here on this other part of the brows quickly. Alright guys, I'm done with the brows. I'm just going to go into my Milani powder to just set the brows, set the concealer in place. So I'm going to go into my highlighter and highlight my, what's it called again? I'll just write it in the description. Please check it out there. Yes, we've not done the highlighting part. Sorry, we've not done the setting part for this other part of the eyebrows. Just to go into my spoolie and just apply it like so. give it that more natural. So sister girl, we're done with the brows. This is the end of the video. Basically, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video and you learned one or two things, kindly give the video a thumbs up, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.